Hello guys, so the other day I've been thinking about something. Wanted to share it with you. So I've been thinking, what if we had a place where you can go, it's a website or a web app where you can just go and download a native application, or you can call them desktop applications for anything that you want to do. So let's say for example you want to maybe an application that can help you manage your expenses, an application that can help you to track your debts, or maybe a school management application. And since I have been doing developing application for quite some time, I thought to myself, what if I make something like that? And I think so far I have some few applications. So basically, this is the website. Just called it moshacrafts.com. I just go to this website, and it's a very simple website. So I have these applications. Of course, if you can't find an application, you can hit me up and I develop one for you. So basically, some of these applications are free. Oh, I need to add like some kind of a badge to show you. Like this one, finance is free. The invoice one is free for generating invoices. This one is for debt management. This one is not free. Gallery here is free. This one is not free, and then this one is not free. So basically, I'm going to keep on adding more applications. And let's say for example you have a small business and you want something, generate your invoices. I'm going to show you how you can download this one. So just come and search here, but since it's just here, you just come and download this application. And of course you'd go, let me just download it. And all this one, invoice and the motion that are just using SQLite as the database, so there's no so much complications. So let's finish downloading, and now I can open it, then I can install it. Of course you can go through the license, then you can choose a location to install it, then you can install it. And then you have your readme here, you can just read this. Then after the installation, now you can come here. So basically I have how many applications? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 applications so far. So the one I've just installed, it's this one, okay, invoice, of course, for generating invoices. Then once you open it, since I already set up, you just come here, just expand this, and then you have the logo. You can add your business details, then you upload your logo, and then you save the details. Then you can come here. Let's say I want to send an invoice to Intern Moshe, and then I can add my other details. Then the postal address. Then you can add the phone number. Then they can add the due date. Then the tax percentage, they can maybe say 16%. Then I can start adding my items. Let's say media, 1 kg, the time, and then each is going to be on 50. Maybe say cooking oil, a 20 liter, maybe 2500. Maybe say wheat flour, let's say 2 kgs, maybe say 20, and of course that's going to be like 180. And then I can say maize flour, say 90 kg. Okay, that one for maybe 3000. So on, you can edit them, you can delete them. So after you've added your items, you can see every item, the quantity, the price, and the total. generate your invoice, and then you have to come where it's installed. Currently I've installed it here. Share invoice, and then I can see this is the latest one. So when you open it, you need to have your logo here, then the bill, of course the details of the client, details of your business. Then you can see all the items you've added. You have the subtotal and the tax, and you have the total amount of money that you have to pay. So basically that's how you develop the invoice. Now if you want different applications, we have promotion debt. Now this one is for managing debt. I think I can show you in the next video. So basically you just come and download the application, and I'll be adding more applications. So the applications are mostly going to be to help you in your day-to-day activities, utility applications. So if you have an idea of anything, or maybe if you need a similar idea for your business, they also develop such kind of applications. So guys, thank you very much. Share it with your friends.